Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make an airplane out of empty plastic bottles and the other recyclable materials. The other materials that we're going to use are the carton, the colored paper, the plastic cups, pin, glue pen, pencil, ruler, tape, scissors, and the other printing materials and the cutter. But remember, classmates, this is a dangerous material and ask our parents to help us use this item. Okay, classmates, let's start. Okay, let's paste the colored paper into the carton. Once we finish pasting the colored paper, we will now cut the cartoon by the help of my parents. We're almost done and we need to put the stickers. Here's our US Air Force airplane. Thank you for watching.